Hello, my brother and sister. My name is Manan Shah, and my ID number is 24DCS118. And my today's presentation topic is digital lock. Unlock the secret of logic design. So today we learn about the digital lock using logic gates. Embark on an exploration into the inner working of digital locks, from basic principles to practical circuit implementation, uncover the logic behind the modern security, and etc. So, my name is Manasha, as I told you, and my ID number is 24DCS118. So, start with what is digital lock? Digital lock provides enhanced convenience and security over traditional locks. And advantages of digital lock is offers convenience and advanced features, and its application is used in homes, access control systems, and safes. And the global market for digital locks is projected to reach 4.4 billion by 2028, demonstrating strong growth. So this field is very highly demanded in today's current premises. So next is basic working principles. So we have a basic working principles. First is user input. So user entered the input code. Second one is code comparison. So compare entered code to preset code जो हमसे हमारा पहला वाला कोड होगा उससे वो कंपेयर करेगा. So third one is unlocking the mechanism. So it is locking mechanism जो वो अगर सेम होगा preset code से तो वो unlock हो जाएगा. So key components include the input interface, comparison unit, and control mechanism. And next one is components of a digital lock. So input interface, processing unit, memory, output mechanism. These are the components of digital lock. Key component include the keypad, microcontroller, EEPROM, solenoid, and power supplies, etc. So the first is logic gates overview. So logic gates, we have a different type of logic gates like AND or NAND or inverter. It's like not gate. So basically AND gates refers to if both input of our is high, so in output is high. Where OR gate one of the input is high, so our output is high. And NOT gate is basically invert our input signals. So logic gates are fundamental building blocks of digital circuits. So कोई भी आप digital circuit बनाते हो उसमें block is very fundamental, basic units. So digital lock design using logic gates like is our code is 1010 gates like AND, NOT, XOR use in our circuit like minimize gates. So हम कम से कम gate use करें जिससे वो circuit की complexity कम हो जाए. So reduce power. So we are designing a secure 4-digit digital lock involves strategic selection and configuration of logic gates. So we have truth tables like truth table of digital lock is like our A, B, C, D is like our preset code is 1010. So our 4 input is 1010, then our lock is unlocked, while other inputs 1111, so our lock is unlocked 0001, etc. So our lock is not unlocked, representing the lock's behavior in a truth table that is critical for analysis and logic. So next is circuit design. So these are the logic circuit diagram. So we have a 3 key input. These are the preset switch, our input switch, and if code are exactly preset code, so there is a unlock, and there is not a preset code, so this is not unlock. So these are logic gates, interconnection signals. This is a visual representation of digital lock circuit showing diagram. So step-by-step circuit explanations that signal flows trace signal through the circuits. Code comparison, so logic gates compare input with stored code. So वो compare करेगा फिर unlock the signal. तो generate unlock the signal when the code matches. Explaining how the logic gates compare the input code to the stored code. Implementation using AND and NOT gates. So we just using AND and NOT get that the advantages of it such as simplicity, lower cost, and manufacturing. So simplifying the digital lock design using and NOT gate leads to reduce component count, and lower cost. So these are very beneficial. So hardware implementation, components and security. Essential components that logic gates ICS74SC these are the series where and not dash extra threads are available. Register LEDs and switches buttons for detailed circuit diagram. So we previously saw the detailed circuit diagram and one main power supply to run the security enhancements increase complexity. So increase input bits. There are the complexity that we have increased the input bits, so our circuit diagram must be complex more than ever. Cascadic logic gas, anti-tamper mechanism, so वो Broadcom जला भी सकते हैं तोड़ भी सकते हैं ऐसा तो handle security by increasing bits and cascading gates, use XOR gates for unpredictable logic implementation, lockout features after incorrect attempts. So that are so where we have so practical example simple 4-bit logic get blocks. So illustrative design, unique access code, circuit diagram, truth table. These are the already shown. So illustrative design like a basic for digital logs utilize and on not bad. Unique access code. The logic gate combines with a unique access code so to unlock the gate. The truth table demonstrates the operating logic gates and circuit diagram which gets incorrect next for combination. Advantages of logic gate digital logs. Simplicity in designing. So very simply city to designing. Low power consumption, very low power consumption. Resistance to manipulation. So आप उसको manipulate नहीं कर सकते हो. Logic gate logs offer simple design and low power. They have near instant operation. They are ideal for application needing physical security. So physical security is one of the challenges. Limitation of logic gate digital logs. So difficulty changing combination. So आपने एक बार combination set कर दिया तो उसको आप change नहीं कर सकते. Limited functionality. So this is very limited. That 4 bits, 5 bits, etc. Vulnerable to physical attack. So उसके ऊपर आप physical attack करके आप तोड़ सकते हो. So combination change are difficult functionalities, limited comparison to microcontroller system, vulnerable to physical attack if not protected. So these are the next one is comparison with microcontroller based blocks. So microcontroller blocks and logic gate blocks. So these are the two comparison with the microcontroller block. So dynamic combination changes, logging capabilities, remote access, and more physically secure logic gates are the list of the vulnerabilities. Microcontroller locks offer dynamic changes and logging. Logic gates locks provide physical security. So the real life application of this is secure storage cabinets, restricted access areas, simple home security. So these are the very useful application of digital locks. So like secure storage cabinets for strong sensitive documents like election data, etc. Restricted access areas in laboratories. So very strictly assessed for that. Suitable for secure cabinets and restricted areas. Also simple security system for phones. So next one is the future scope and potential improvements. So what are the improvements in this? Biometric sensor, remote monitoring, programmable logic device, etc. These are the future scope and potential improvements of this. Integration with biometrics and IoT, combining security with encryptions, use nanotechnology for smaller logs. So conclusion is that logic gate logs balance simplicity and security. They are valuable for specific security needs. Potential improvement including biometric integration. They are reliable options. So these are the conclusions. So thank you. These are our topic. So for watching my video. So